Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In this tech tutorial, we're going to reveal to you how you can add quick links to your workspace in the plain project management application. So let us dive into this. So here in the plain project management application, guys, what you want to do is select your workspace in the top left corner. So I will go with this one for demonstration purposes. And after that, navigate to the home section of your selected workspace, and here below, guys, you will see this option, quick links. So here you may, for example, attach your most relevant resources or spreadsheets, docs, and so on and so forth as a reference and for quick access. So what you want to do is click into add quick link here in the top right, and here you will see the required URL, so you will need to paste it here. So I will go, just for the sake of this tutorial, with that spreadsheet here from Google Docs for demonstration purposes. Copy the given URL, head back to this menu, paste it here, and give it also a title, like for example, I don't know, my spreadsheet or my worksheet or something like that. Number 1. So there you go, and confirm by clicking into add quick link here, and that's it. If you, for instance, you may, for example, have access to it here, guys, and it will automatically redirect you to the page here, guys. So for example, you're on Google Docs or Google Sheets, and that's it. You may of course remove these quick links anytime by clicking into these 3 dots and by selecting delete, or you can edit it if you like, open it in a new tab, or even create a shareable link for that reference or resource here, guys. And that's how it works. Hope you enjoyed this video, got some value from it, and we'll see you next time on our channel.